Hey everybody, this is going to be another Father's Day deal that I picked up at Lowe's. Today is the 19th, it's a Friday of June, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So today is going to be a Lowe's video. It's another Father's Day deal that I picked up. I've been looking for this Dewalt heat gun for, I don't know, I think it's been a little over a year since they came out with it. I've been looking for it, and it just happened for Father's Day because I went to Casa Grande Lowe's today, Casa Grande Home Depot. I went to Santan Lowe's and Santan Home Depot off of Higley for the Lowe's and Rittenhouse for the Home Depot, and then I went to Gilbert, which is on Gilbert Road, Lowe's today. I also went to the Home Depot on the 60 and Crimson, and I also went to the Lowe's on the 60 and Ellsworth. And I picked this one up at the Gilbert store. It's the only store in the area that I searched, which is a 80 or so mile radius. And come to find out, the DCE530B, so Dog Charlie Echo 530 Bravo, the bare tool. You buy the bare tool, you get you get a 3 amp hour 21700 cell starter kit with the DCB112 Dog Charlie Bravo 112 regular standard charger. This kit is also DeWalt's model number for it is Dog Charlie Bravo 230 Charlie. Now, previous video I picked up the 3-mode oscillating tool, and I got this kit as well for free. This is a $109 battery by itself, the 3 amp hour with the 21700 cells, and the charger, I would assume it's about 20 bucks because this is normally a $119 package deal. I paid $119 for the DeWalt heat gun bare tool, and I got a $119 kit for free. The receipt, and I'll put this in the video so it's easier to read. The receipt says 1408752 DeWalt heat gun, $119, and the DeWalt 20 volt starter kit 0.00, so $0.00. It was a total of $128.28 for these 2 items because this item was free. Here is the other 3 that I fully charged. So this is just going to be the deals video. We're going to do an unboxing separately from this video. To me, it's because I've been searching for this. You know, this is going to come in handy when I'm doing electrical wiring. And you know, it's might be a little breezy outside, something like that. Excuse me. instead of having to use my quartered model. Not sure what this goes up. Oh, this goes up to 990 degrees Fahrenheit. The Hercules model of heat gun goes up to like 908 degrees, and the Bauer model from Harbor Freight goes up to, I think, like 860, something like that. I don't remember. I saw it at Harbor Freight earlier because I also stopped at Harbor Freight looking for something, and the store that I went to didn't have it. That store was on Warner and in Chandler. But quick video. Just want to let you guys know some of these things. It's on the buy list. So this tool, the actual store number for the item, which is 1408752, that number, if you look at the bare tool, you know, get a free 3 amp hour starter kit. If you look at the part numbers on in fine print on the bottom of that picture that I posted in a previous video, you can see it on the hammer drill deal. That part number shows up first. It's the very first part number on the list of tools that you can get this starter kit for free. And this must be a very popular item because I went to, I think, 4 or 5 Lowe's today, and only one Lowe's had this item, and they only had one. So I grabbed it. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I apologize if I was talking loud. I had an earbud in, or one of my ears was completely closed off, so I couldn't hear myself. But please, again, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Yeah.